Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to basically check the Gerber files from your EasyEDA PCB. So first thing what you need to know is basically EasyEDA does not support importing a Gerber file. So to edit as a normal or just view it, you can use some online Gerber viewers, or if you have something like open source tool KiCad, or that you have Altium Designer, what you can do is just simply grab the file. So for example, grab here one of the file or all of them and just drag them right into the Altium Designer, and it will open up just like that. And you can see now that we have it right over here, everything about Gerbers. Now what we can do, simply just confirm that everything is okay, and let's say we can send this to PCB manufacturer. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out and cleared the things out with Gerber files in EasyEDA. So yeah, now I can show you how you can basically export also these Gerber files from the EasyEDA. What you're going to do, simply just when you have your PCB design, you go here at the top under the fabrication, and under PCB fabrication file Gerber, click on that. Okay, so before you need to save it and then head over here. Now, if you don't have any rules, you can check for DRC rules or no generated Gerber. So let's say this time we don't need that, so click on that. And now, as you can see, we have two layers: dimension, PCB quantity, color, so we can change that, and so on. And here, right over here, you will see generate Gerber, and when you click on that, you will get the file with your Gerbers in. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next